A Cash App update can cause problems like the app not opening, freezing, crashing, login issues, or features not loading correctly after installation. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to fix Cash App after an update and get the app working again. Start by checking whether Cash App has another update available. App updates sometimes receive follow-up fixes after users report problems. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Cash App, and install any available update. If Cash App is stuck or frozen, close the app completely and reopen it. On Android, open recent apps and swipe Cash App away. On iPhone, open the app switcher and remove Cash App before launching it again. Next, restart your phone. A device restart can clear temporary system issues that may stop Cash App from working properly after an update. If Cash App opens but screens are not loading correctly, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see whether the connection is causing the problem. For Android users, clearing the Cash App cache can remove outdated temporary files that may interfere with the updated app. Open Android settings, go to Apps, select Cash App, choose Storage, and clear the cache. If you are having login problems after the update, confirm that you are using the correct phone number or email connected to your Cash App account. Use the account recovery options inside the app if you cannot access your account. If the app still does not work, reinstall Cash App. Remove the app from your device, download it again from the official App Store, and sign back in using your account information. Before deleting the app, make sure you know your login details and have access to the phone number or email linked to your account. If the problem continues after reinstalling, check whether Cash App is experiencing a service issue. If the app itself is having problems, waiting for the service to recover may be the only solution. You can also contact Cash App support and provide details about your device, app version, and the exact issue you are seeing. Specific details help support identify whether the problem is caused by the update, your device, or your account. To recap, update Cash App, restart your phone, check your connection, clear the cache on Android, and reinstall the app if needed. Your next step is to check your App Store for another Cash App update before trying advanced fixes. If this guide helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Cash App troubleshooting videos for more quick solutions.